Good morning, Paul here, Spaulding Team. It is May 28th, 2019. Tuesday, yesterday was Memorial Day, so we had a nice 3-day weekend. So let's see what's going on in the market today. Greater Las Vegas real estate market. New listings that have come in the last couple of days. It looks like we got like five of them today. And a little townhome here, 210 for a 1251 square foot, 2-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-car garage townhome. Must be pretty nice. Looks pretty nice. Nicely done. Got cluttered, but you know, some people are like that. Yep, very cluttered. It's got nice features. And where is Takata? Built in 87. DI and Decatur. Okay. Over in the Spring Valley area. Okay. Highest price $299 today. British Cup Drive, 1,800 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. Lawn. Looks like a pretty nice floor plan. A bit of grass in back. No covered patio though. Can't tell if that's turf or grass. Looks like it's turf. Too green for grass. Tile counters. Pretty basic. What the heck? Oh, it's got a double staircase there. A nice little walkway here. So the high ceilings in the living area. That's nice. Okay. I'm pretty proud of that. That's good. Long narrow rooms, it looks like. Maybe it's just photography. Okay. Where's this little turkey at? 502 area. $300,000. Okay, Summerlin area. Cully Ranch. Good deal. Okay, then Monday, Hacienda. $107,000 condo, 750 square feet. No pictures. Right over there. Oh, Boulder Highway. Okay. Whitney area. Okay. Then looks like a lot of things going on Monday. 1.65 million on Torch Cactus. Hard to find. Let's say. Hard to find 4-car garage in Summerlin. That's nice. Lots of pop-ups today. Nice countertop here. Okay, and where is this? Summerlin said. West side of the 215. Okay. When was it built? Oh, brand new. Explains it all. Okay, then on Sunday we have Sea Lion Drive, 2-story condo. Wow, wait a minute. 659 square feet. La Isla Bonita. Okay, toilet seat up, that's always nice. Huh, property photo. Nice area. Where are we here? Sea lion, okay. I wonder if the sea lions come and hang out there. I'm wondering where the lake is that they just photographed. Launch Summerland. I don't see any water around here. I wonder what they photographed. Okay. Two. And that's St. Andrew's Court. Nice curb appeal, 3-car garage, 2-car and a cop cart. Been around a while with all that ivy and stuff. Yeah. Okay. Canyon Run. We're in Summerland again. A lot of Summerland coming up today. Okay. What do we got here? That is 2. That was the highest priced one on Saturday or Sunday. Let's go to this one, 604 area. 125. Oh, single family home. What? 1954. Oh, nice. Huh. Like somebody had some fun in there. Like a foreclosed property. There's several barrels of oil on site. Interesting. It's just a basic fixer-upper property. Huh. Interesting. Got somebody I need to send that to. 35 fur. And that is 21,00466. Gonna go fast. Piece of crap. Excuse me, I didn't mean to say that out loud. Okay, so this is Saturdays. Okay, 889,888, 3,300 square foot, 3-bedroom, 5-bath, 3-car garage with a pool. Wonder where this is. Okay, Paradise Hills, Henderson. Okay. And then 4th day, I think this is Saturday. What day would this be? 5/24. This is Fridays. Okay. I think we've got through enough today. Get the highs and lows. We now have only 285 properties in escrow. That means a lot of them. What? What happened to this? Only 96 sold. What? Something's going on here. Today is the 20th. No, yesterday, this was reported yesterday. It's $200,000, 1250 square feet. Closed escrow. No garage. Basic house. Ready to go. Over on Pecos and Lamb. Okay. Then yesterday, and this one reported over on Celestial, corner lot, 2-car garage, fire hydrant, green light, pretty clean, new flooring, pretty nice. Where is this? Vegas and Cimarron. Okay. Wow, look at this. The 25th. There's only been 3. That's why. What's going on? There's only 3 reported closings from Friday. I know there has to be a whole lot more than that. Little Pulte home here. Little messy home. Okay. Alta and Vista, Summerlin area. Okay, well that's about it, because we had all the rest of these close on Friday. There'll be a bunch of them probably reported today. There's only 89 for the whole weekend. 7,200 square feet. I think we saw this on Friday. Okie dokie. Let's look at something else here. Anything go under contract with a pool over the weekend? 47. Okay. Oh, a house over on Shootout Place. I sold one over there last year. Ashford, Grossinger. Lowest price 201, highest price 1775. Got the median $400,000. Average 460 at 2,500 square feet, 173 a square foot. All right, well, that's that, and we don't have anything else new in the stuff here because we're still in April. Pretty soon we'll do a March. There was something else. Let's see, 14 minutes. Oh, I guess we better wrap it up. I'll be doing another little thing here, show here, talking about some market stats, some analytics. So I will talk to you soon. Have a great day.